Hello there, I'm going to be trying this Mott's Mighty Incredible Tropical Fruit Drink. Right there. The wife picked this up today. Where'd you pick this up at, wife?
Walmart.
Walmart.
There's a 6-pack.
I'm going to look and see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll put a link below. I'll pin a link. Okay, I can definitely smell the pineapple. It says it has apple, pineapple, apple and pineapple. Or at least those are the pictures. You can definitely tell that it's been watered down. It's, I don't know. I'm not really getting the apple. I'm just getting like a really weak pineapple flavor. Alright, honey. Why don't you give it a try and see what you think?
Incredible Tropical. I see mango, apple, pineapple.
Oh, mango. Yeah, I'm not getting any mango either.
It has 50% less sugar, so...
They watered it down, yeah.
Yep, I thought so. Mango, yeah, apple juice.
Yeah, I'm only tasting the pineapple, and it's watered.
Pineapple.
It's a watered down flavor of pineapple.
Yeah.
But I'm not getting mango, and I'm not getting apple.
You shook it before?
Yeah, I did. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever had this beverage before, and if you have, what you think of it.
Yeah, the apple and mango toned down the pineapple. So
yeah, but
that's why
you can't even
seem
taste
like
them,
a
really.
watered down flavor,
Yeah.
but it's all mixed together.
I mean, it's not bad.
Yeah, they have enough sugar in it where it's not tart where I don't like it, so it's actually not bad. I'll drink these.
Yeah, it's not bad. I can see these being good to use for mixed drinks. If you wanted to make a wine spritzer, a little bit of this, maybe some simple syrup, could really set a wine spritzer off, I think. And then, of course, carbonation. But, yeah. I probably wouldn't drink any more of these. But I'm glad the wife will. And, yeah. If you don't know what this tastes like, if you've never tried these before, does it sound like a drink that you would enjoy?
It's worth trying once.
Are you a fan of pineapple? That's the key.
If you
don't like pineapple, this is not for you. If you're a fan of pineapple, Walmart.
I'd say I taste a
Maybe
little bit of the
Amazon.
mango, and then the apples mixed with the mango. Pineapple dominant, but I definitely have that mango back flavor for me.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this review. If you enjoyed it, feel free to stick around and subscribe if you want, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.